Hello everyone, this is Dhruvil. I am here to explain our project asseftflow. So here is PPT first. So let me explain you our overview about our project. So first let's talk about what problem it caused so that we have prepared this solution. So as you know, in traditional ERP systems we use Excel sheets and uh, manually manage data, use paper registers, etc. So which decrease efficiency, it delays maintenance and many other problems. Then what are difference between spreadsheet, legacy ERP and our solution? So we have used this many things to make a good software. Let's talk about the So yeah, let's talk about the other things like tech stacks. So we have used React.js for front end, Fast API for backend, and PostgreSQL for database. So now let's move on to our project. So yeah. So this is first login page. Here we have to first apply credentials. So let's first log in as admin to show you what admin page has. So we have four credentials: first admin, second manager, third auditor, and fourth employee. So these are four different rules we have used for this. So yeah, let's log into admin page. So here in admin page you can see overall analysis of company, overall analysis of this website. So here is graph, here other things. Then let's talk about asset catalog. Here you can see the assets which currently company is owning. So this is dynamic. We can register new assets, like let's add a mobile phone. So let's use Samsung, let's say random serial number like ABC123. It is tablet. Let's say tablet. We have purchased it at 50,000. Actually it's dollars, so let's say $500. Purchase date. So yeah, let's register this. So here you can see new Samsung tablet is registered, and it is registered as equipment. It is, I think, a small bug, but I will fix it. But I don't think it create much problem because our main aim was to add a new thing. This is just a simple glitch, we can easily fix it. So yeah, now let's talk about a booking page. So here you can see and manage booking for such a like which device given to whom. Here you can do that booking. So let's choose our new tablet Samsung which we have recently added. Let's add the date, like we want it on 14 July till 15 July. So just add it, and here you can see Samsung tablet is assigned and it is reserved by employee. So here you can manage this resource bookings. Next is transfer. Now here you can transfer a device from one employee to other, because obviously in company generally you have very few devices and many employees, so sometimes you need to transfer devices. So here you can transfer it, we can approve or reject it. Next is maintenance. Now obviously hardware device requires maintenance, even software devices require maintenance. So here we can track the maintenance record and add, update or delete those records. So we have three UI options here to see and for better UI experience. So let's add a new maintenance. Let's say Samsung. We have to add UID, but let's add some random, because main aim here is to showcase that we have added this much level of features. Exactly, not everything is working fine and completely working, but yeah, it is for prototype work, it is really working good. So let's say mechanical bug, and estimated cost is like $50. So issue like screen broke. So yeah, this is just random, so ignore the pricing and etc. So let's create this. So here you can see new Samsung maintenance request is created. So waiting for approval, after a few times it will approve. Next is this audit. Here you can check for regular audits of your assets and other things. So here you can see few are active audits. One is scheduled for 1st August. So let's add another audit like Samsung device check, and we can write some descriptions like random etc. So and create a audit. So it automatically gets scheduled for today. We will add a date feature here also. Next is reports. So here you can see annual reports and other reports. Let's download one, and wait, you can see it downloaded, and here you can download the reports. Next is setting. These are few company settings which you can add, like what is your date format, time zone, etc., currency and company name, and etc. Next is user. Here you can see your employees data, like which employee has which credentials and which role. So here you can see this employee one, operator, etc., etc. So yeah, let's now sign out and see next role. Next is manager. Let's see employee role, because manager have mostly same as admin, but few things changes, like approval and disapproval is not available in manager. So let's first see employee page. Few things are different, like he cannot create anything, like he cannot add anything. He can just see, like here you can see we have recently added a Samsung tablet and it automatically come. So we have implement database which is interconnected, so everyone can see things. So yeah, next is booking. He can see bookings, transfers. He can just see transfers. Yeah, mostly employee can see datas and not do any crude operation. But yeah, in maintenance he can create a request, because obviously employees are the one who uses products, so they know when it required to maintenance. So here he can create a new request about any device. So this is same, maintenance creation is same, and wait for approval. Next is audits. So here you can see audits and reports and download reports, etc. And in setting you can just see the settings but cannot change it. So let's move on to next page, employee. So for employee I have this credentials. Sorry, not employee but manager. So here for manager we have manager credentials. So let's log in. So in manager part you can see he can also see reports, see audits, create maintenance. He can approve or reject transfer, approve or reject transfers. He can see booking or edit booking, and add or remove devices, and a common dashboard. He cannot create report or create audits, and even cannot change system settings. So mostly admin and managers have same powers, but few are different. So we have 8 hours time. We cannot create each and every different things, but we have applied most things which we can apply, and we can add on this project. So yeah, this is our project. I hope you like it.